Where are your ID cards for 2025? January 1st is right around the corner. And maybe you applied a month or two ago, or maybe you applied on the deadline, December 7th deadline. No shame there. Things happen. But there's a huge backlog, and the insurance companies don't staff up. They don't hire a bunch of people. They just tell you to wait. So let's say you changed your drug plan for 2025 from X company to Y company. As soon as January 1st gets here, you're on Y company. And you're like, but I don't have my card yet. It hasn't been here yet. You can call them as much as you want and maybe give them one call. But they're probably just going to say, due to high volume, we're running a little bit behind, because they're running a little bit behind every year because they know this is going to happen every year. So the early bird gets their ID cards. If you applied at the beginning of the AEP back in October, early November, you should have your cards. If you don't, there might be a problem with your insurance, in which case you want to get on the phone immediately. But if you applied mid-November through December, then we just got to wait. Now let's say I changed my Medicare Advantage plan. So now I'm on a new Medicare Advantage plan and I don't have the ID cards, and it's January 15th. And I go to the ER. What happens now? They want my insurance card. I can't give them my expired one, right? I'm not with that company anymore. I don't have the new one. So you know that you're covered. You should have gotten a letter saying, we got your enrollment, you're approved. Wait for your cards. So as long as you got that letter saying you're approved, if you have to go to the hospital with the doctor, you just have to tell them the situation. They're hearing it from millions of other people too. As much as they don't like it because it creates more work for them, they got to deal with it at this time of year. So you will tell them, just hold my claim and we'll refile it when I get my ID card, which could be any day. And a lot of times they'll go, no, we're just going to file it. Well, do that. That's a waste of time because it's going to get denied because I don't have that insurance company anymore. Okay, so the prudent thing to do is just hold it. When I get my ID card, I will call you. We'll get this set up. So you don't have to panic that you're not covered. As long as you got that letter from the insurance company when you applied saying, we got your enrollment, you're approved, wait for the ID cards. Everybody should have their ID cards by mid-January, but the people that are not getting them until after January 1st, we never like that every year. We don't like it, but that's part of the game when 60 million people can change their plans during a very small window. So if you're one of our clients, one of our members of the Medicare family, we have a client care team. Call us, email us, text us, and we will help track down and see what's going on. When you need help after the enrollment, that's what our client care team does. We're here to help you. Thanks for working with us at the Medicare family.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare family.